Begin by launching the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the YouTube website by either clicking the YouTube icon on the Google homepage if available, or by searching for YouTube through Google. After the YouTube page loads completely, locate the install icon near the top right corner of the browser window, close to the address bar, and click it. A pop-up window titled Install App will appear. Confirm by clicking the Install button. This action will install YouTube as a standalone application on your device, enabling quick access from your taskbar or desktop like any other installed software. If the icon is not visible or you prefer an alternative method, use the browser menu instead. Click the three vertical dots at the top right corner to open the menu. Navigate down to the Cast, Save, and Share section and pause briefly to reveal the submenu. Then move your cursor to the left and select Install YouTube. When the pop-up appears, click the Install button again. This completes the process, and YouTube will now be available as a dedicated application on your computer for easy access from your taskbar or desktop. To access YouTube, simply click on the application icon. If you find these tutorials helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you and take care.